Offers Unveiled, exploring benefits and drawbacks in conversational English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a particularly interesting aspect of English conversation, asking about the benefits and drawbacks of an offer. You'll learn how to inquire about specific details when someone makes an offer to you, ensuring that you can make the most informed decisions possible. Let's dive right in. Before you can ask about the benefits or drawbacks, it's important that you fully understand the offer that's been made. Here are some questions you might ask. Can you elaborate on that? Could you explain a bit more about the offer? It's okay to ask for more information or details. People generally appreciate your interest and will be willing to explain further. Once you understand the offer, it's time to ask about the benefits. This can help you see the value in the proposal and potentially convince you to accept it. Here are a few phrases that might come in handy. What are the benefits if I accept this offer? Can you tell me some advantages I might gain? By asking these questions, you can gather valuable information and consider the positive outcomes of accepting the offer. Just as important as understanding the benefits, knowing the drawbacks of an offer can save you from potential pitfalls. It's crucial to have a comprehensive view. Here are some useful phrases. Are there any disadvantages I should be aware of? Could you tell me about any potential drawbacks? Don't be afraid to ask about the negatives. It shows you're thinking critically and are genuinely interested in the proposal. After gathering information about both benefits and drawbacks, it's time to reflect on your options. Here's how you might express this in conversation. I will need to weigh the pros and cons. Let me think over the benefits and drawbacks. These statements buy you some time to think and show that you are giving the offer serious consideration. And that wraps up our discussion for today. I hope this video has equipped you with the tools to confidently ask about the benefits and drawbacks of an offer in English. Keep practicing these phrases in your daily conversations and you'll master them in no time. Remember, communication is key, and don't be afraid to ask for more information. See you in our next lesson.